Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen Travel Edition, where today we are in the beautiful Bahamas at the Sandyport Beach Resort, and we are going to be making a Bahama Mama Smoothie. This smoothie is so delicious and icy and refreshing, and on a hot day like this, I can't wait to have it. So let's get started. So to start making our Bahama Mama Smoothie, I have about a cup of ice already in my blender, and it's a hot day, so it's already starting to melt. And to that, I'm going to be adding in half an ounce of just coconut rum. This rum is really sweet, so we don't need too much of it. Also, today it calls for grenadine, but I'm going to be substituting grenadine with pomegranate juice, just because I'm not a big fan of grenadine, but if you want to use it, go for it. So I just have half an ounce of pomegranate juice, which I'm going to be putting in. And then I also have just 1 ounce of white rum. So it's going to be boozy. Next, I'm going to add in some freshly squeezed juices, which I always love using. And so I just have 1 ounce of pineapple juice, as well as 1 ounce of orange juice. And the next ingredients are optional, but today I have fresh pineapple, and I have about half a cup, which I'm going to be adding in, along with either half a banana or 1 banana. Banana really adds a nice creaminess to the smoothie, so I'm going to be adding in a whole banana. Alright, and that's all there is to it. All we have to do now is blend it together. And here we have our beautiful finished Bahama Mama Smoothie, and it smells so good. You can really smell that coconut rum in there, which I love. Now all that we have to do is drink it. And to this, it is up to you, but if you want to garnish your cup, which I always love, I just have some fresh pineapple with me today, which I'm going to put on. There we go. And here we have our beautiful finished drink. I'm so excited to try it. That is so tasty. It almost tastes like a coconut, banana, pineapple shake. So please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And also, if you like this travel series, because I hope to keep doing it. And keep tuning in, because we're going to have a bunch more cocktails and more about the Bahamas coming up. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!